as we do with the moon. Same thing. The moon hits your third eye. So it's often when there's a full moon, we do at the Patuxent River with our awesome friend Tubman, the river keeper. We do ceremony on the full moons with equinox and solstice. So there's information about that. But all these gifts that we have that Mother has put here for us, and we just kind of go through the day and we don't even realize how much of a bounty there is and so much help. And right now with people in such a panicky state of fear over what's going on in this country and this virus and all this other crazy stuff that's going on, and we have all these helpers here to help us through this thing. So even with the trees, I came and walked the land the other day because I hadn't been here before, and I came and I said, okay, I'm incoming and I'm going to come in here and talk to y'all, see what's going on, what you want to impart to the people, and pick up really interesting conversations. So I'm excited to see what you all pick up as you're walking through. And then I'll share with you afterwards what they've told me and see if you connect with some of the spots that I've picked up on and had some very interesting exchanges with. There's no right way or wrong way to do this. It's just really from your heart, opening up your spirit to connect to your relatives, because that is something that is not just the saying that Native people have and most indigenous people. These are your relatives. We're all on this planet together. We all live on this planet. We all are connected. Whatever happens to us, and it's going to happen to them too. And they're standing and trying to really hold this energy for us. And so we really need to start thinking them as you would and love them like you would your own siblings. Grandparents, think of them that way. The rocks, the plants, all of those things, the water, everything has a living spirit to it. And also, don't think that they actually understand what you're saying when you're talking to them, And so if you speak verbally, that's why they found in studies that when people talk to their plants and sing to them, how they really react to that, because they do energetically pick up what you're saying. And when you take the time to really go in, because each one has their own individual spirit that resides in their body. So when you take time to really keep practicing going out, focusing, and just opening your heart chakra, then sometimes they'll invite you in. I've had that experience doing that with some of my sisters, and we would just sit and go into the tree actually, and their spirit will open up and invite you to come in and experience being in there with them. Sometimes you'll see their face looking out, watching you. So out of today's walk, what I really want people to do is learn the energetic of how to, at least one way, of how to open yourself up to connect to nature. And then also incorporate that into your daily practice of life, because it's such an important thing right now, more than ever. It's really important for people to connect that way, because we're in a state of really spiritual warfare on this planet. And so we really need to open ourselves up to do proactive things, and that's the resiliency that our people have had forever, knowing that the bigger picture is everything, not us. And that whole notion that, man, woman, whatever, has to mean over everything else, and we're the top dogs off the planet, so to speak. Nah, we're so far down the food chain, it's ridiculous. Nothing else acts out the way humans do. So, as we know. And just thinking about, when people are littering and doing things, if you're conscious about how your actions affect everything else around you, and then that affects, what happens to them affects everything else, being in that mindset and that consciousness is so helpful. And people are worried about climate change and all those things. So be proactive in terms of your own personal spirit and what you're doing. And I wanted to say, the reason I asked everybody to put their cell phones away, not to, and wash your hands free, because you need your to be able to reach out and just start your energetic field. And as you're walking, to be able to, if your hands get cold, put them in your pockets or whatever, but having your hands as receptors to help you feel out as you're going is important. And also cell phones are distracting, and that whole energetic of the cell phone will take you off kilter, and it interrupts the flow of what's happening between you and nature. So that's why pictures are being taken, film will be taken, and will get posted, and you'll have access to it. So we're waiting for a grandfather to show up here. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for him to come up a little higher, gather around and you say, yeah, I'm going to come out here, it's cold, and I'm going to greet you and come up and I mean, the sun doesn't usually come up like that and be so active, but what it's sending back is that understanding and appreciation for you came out and I'm here for you. Look what I'm going to show you, right? So you see this like that, this laughing like that. That's one thing. Drink it and just soak it in. Let your hands, receive because and let your heart receive because as he's radiating in this energetic that is pattern that is being sent out to everybody in these beings because there's multi-layers of reds but there's this light that's revolving and going around and round and round the sun as these rays are coming at you in this rainbow of color. But I've ever seen the sun react that way. Yeah, something awesome that's going on because I have not seen a light show like that come forward. So y'all are doing good work, whatever you're doing. Keep it up. Keep it up because this is amazing. Amazing. Woo-hoo. With that, put your hands and let your hands soak it up too. Just bathe your whole body in this because this is something you may or may not get to experience ever again. But you are being gifted in such an awesome way with this whole energetic, and I've not seen the sun rise and do this light show, so thank you, Grandfather. Just amazing, amazing, amazing. To wear your jewelry as protection, not just ornamental. So I said, wear your little fairy earrings, and I did. And as soon as I got to that spot, they started jingling, making this little tinkling sound, and I looked, and there they were. And so I'd be interested to see if anybody picks that up. There's a couple of trees that said they would be happy to interact with people. There's a couple of old ones. There's a young one who was very interesting that said, just know, just because somebody's older does not mean they're wiser. I was like, excuse me. But because people always gravitate to these big old trees, right? And he was like very male and very like present and said, a little skinny guy too. And he was like, So, and you'll notice, well, I'll just let you see. Look at that beautiful see what you pick up, and then we'll talk about it. So let's go into the woods after we circle up. And just because your roots are steady and planted firmly in the ground, tell them always seek. That's why our roots go everywhere. So that's in mind. It must have been for you.
She names how much the tops of the trees actually move in the wind. It was swaying more than 6 feet. That's like, wow.
Yeah, when you stand there, also to get that pattern and that rhythm, and the awesome thing is their interaction with the wind and the conversations that are going on between those branches and those trees and the wind and the birds, and, you know, they're passing messages around and sending them out, and that's why we say you carry your prayers on the wind, when you speak it, when you sing it, that it takes it and joyfully passes it along, you know. Because that's what you needed at the time. And when you have that kind of relationship, those things, or when you're walking in the woods and all of a sudden you'll discover something that, you know, you just meet and you're drawn to that plant. Take it home, look at it, look it up, and it's like, oh, I have respiratory issues, or I have this or that, something that plant will come for you and present itself. And just remember not to pick all of it. Just take a little bit and always give some water or something back. Don't ever take anything back that impacts something, and especially gratitude for it. When you're planting, if you do gardening or just have house plants or whatever, you know, same thing. Always offer some prayers and some loving energy to the water before you pour it. That nourishes and helps nourish not just the plant but yourself, but it makes the plant stronger. And if you're growing things, herbs for medicine or for cooking, whatever, put the seeds in your mouth and hold them and pray. And ignite your energy into those seeds so that when you plant it, especially if you're planting medicine, then the signature of your energy goes into those seeds that then connect and help that plant grow, and it'll help it grow something that is healthful for you. So, they said, speaking of invasive species, we're the #1 predator on the planet. We are the invasive species. They're like, you know, in nature you see such examples of how they get along with each other. They nurture each other. Plants will grow in harmony with each other. And you don't see this like fighting for space. They don't do that. That's a human condition, unfortunately. And I was talking to one of them that where people had carved, had carved their names and initials and hearts and all this all over a couple of those elders over there. And so when I came, I was doing some praying and putting some energy in them, and I was like, you know, I really apologize for them. And they're like, that's okay, they're just ignorant. Don't do, you know, they don't, there's no boundaries. And we had a conversation about naming things, how we had this thing where we got to name something. What kind of tree is this? Well, this is name that I said it's like tribal people. You know, how people name, a lot of the native tribes are reclaiming their original names and languages, and it's like, that's not our name. Stop calling us out of our name. It's not who we are. That's not who we've ever been. But the trees are like the same way. They're like, okay, this is the name that you have given us. That's not necessarily what we call ourselves and what our names are. I was down at the Potomac a few years ago. A friend of mine and I were looking for a place to do a ceremony in, where the cherry trees are down near the tidal basin, I think that is. There's all these beautiful trees, and then all of a sudden this one white said, come here. I was looking at her and I said, wow, you're really awesome. What a beautiful dancer you must have been. And she said, yeah, actually they say that, you know, I'm a cherry tree. That she said, I I'm really from Senegal. I wish they'd stop saying that. And I was like, you are? And she's like, yeah. And she said, and I am a dancer. I was like, yeah, I got that part. So, you know, they would talk to you and tell you all sorts of stories because they have other incarnations, just like people who are reincarnated over and over in different forms and different, the trees and other beings also reincarnate too in many different ways in different countries when we travel. And when you see also where, as a metaphor, I was just thinking about, these mines. We were talking about the Virginia creeper or bittersweets. Those things are horrific. I swear they're aliens. And in the woods next to my house, I know they grow up out of the ground and they'll travel like over there, and then they'll spot a tree that they want, and they just, how do they do that? They just like grow, and then just grow sideways like that, these big old vines, and then all of a sudden they just go airborne, and it just grows 6-7 feet, and then shoot out, and then encircle all the branches and start pulling the trees down and breaking off the branches, but then underneath the ground, their roots are like this, and they're pushing the trees from underneath. And so, just in the woods next to my house, I would say a good maybe third of those trees are dead now, or gone, or encircled and being pulled down actively by these vines, what kind of thing. But I feel like maybe it's the clearing. I keep having this conversation with myself, stop trying to figure this out so much and stop trying to then become the one that dictates if this is a right or wrong thing, because Mother's taking care of herself, and that's what she keeps saying is, spend less time on thinking you're saving the earth, save yourself. If you do your part and save yourself, it helps her do her job, because she's going to do what she needs to do, and she always has. And we're just in a position now with the internet and all these other things, of seeing in real time the changes that she's going into scaring people, and you're thinking, okay, well, yeah, we've got to do better by doing better maintenance of ourselves and the impact that we have. But as we raise our vibration, it helps her to raise hers. And so, one thing, the message that she always tells me to impart is, if you do the best you can and you do the best of raising your own vibration, then you help her. But to think that you need to go out and actively think that you're being her savior, she's like, I got this. I got this. If you just watch how she does. How do you think the Grand Canyon got there? All of these other things that she is constantly in movement. But she said, when you sync your energy to me, then the movement that you need I have fire, I have water, I have ice, I have the plant. She said, the greenery, all of those things are gifts that help you become the best that you can be and be optimal, because when you use the resources like that awesome sun this morning was a sign of that, of how you, excuse me, as we grow and we become more evolved, then the impact that we have on Earth and on each other becomes less and less and less. And as we start to become less dense and vibrate higher, then it's all a done deal, because we won't be here on this level anyway, making that kind of impact. But just walk gently, everything has a spirit. All water, we're mostly water. Water has a spirit. Talk to your water, praise it, love it. Give it the props that you need, so that when it comes into your body and becomes part of you, it's coming in at the most high vibration. So, just get your jug of water, also not the plastic bottles, but just hold the water and consciously spend some quiet time with it. And you can put whole jugs in the window and, all of that thing, but just even holding it or taking, I love you on the water, or thank you. or words of gratitude, words of praise. Put it on there, and that vibration is what you're feeding into that water, so that when that water mixes with every atom, every cell of your body, it's sending that same energetic pattern. And also when you're doing that, and you're pouring water outside, for each cell, for every atom of that water that's carrying that prayer, you can throw it into a river, and that whole river will benefit because it'll radiate out, and then it goes up into the rain, and it takes those prayers wherever that lands, and it goes into the ground, and it never stops moving, never stops moving. So make that a part of your routine, is to enhance that water in your life. Go out and read the sun, spend time in the woods. Trees like to be touched. So do plants, gently, just they like that interaction, and they're listening. They're always listening. They love to be sung to. They love it when you come out and dance with them. If you play a musical instrument, go out there and play it. They're like all in it for that. I went into my woods. I call them my woods because they're where I spent a lot of time. And when I went in, I was the only one that day in the woods, and I took my drum in, and I just went in, I was just walking, singing and stuff. And then all of a sudden I just stopped, and I was singing and playing the drum. And there was, as you said, a live dead tree. It looked like it's dead, but it never did. They're resting tree. And this bird just came, perched right at the top and started singing. And the whole time I'm drumming and singing, it was singing right along with me. And those kinds of gifts are available to all of us when we take the time to go and interact. They'll interact back with you. So I encourage you to do that. I encourage you to do the energetic, prime palms for that. When it's warm enough, take your shoes off and go walk. Just stand and let the earth and sync yourself, and be in sync with her. But in sync, send your hair out, send your vibration into the cosmos, because it's always moving, always changing. And so whatever help you need is always available. But then bring that energy back down, bring you back into the earth, and help to, feed her and stabilize you.
Well, I say to